The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak saupun riulak. Just wow.
Ubah seniau bahalang thar usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau beri kemi ia ketena transport ke Sorkar Jela. Haba jubab ia kejing kali na kilat pathai kubor. Halor kejing syak pakhang ki kali na Meghalaya bandrung sya Asam. Nadu ke step jong ke arpau tarik nailar arja arpenriu ulah kedau. Baka dau barok ke long kumba ke Newton law of motion ke ong. There is an equal reaction for every action. Kumon syukado baka jing sya pakhang yaki kali na Meghalaya bandrung sya Asam hakana para ka day namar ka jing jia syatit sya bom ki kali turis na Asam haka khat khandai tarik nailar araja arpun rio dagi basyem kabu hapadang ka rally arsaka jong ka KSU hakkeleng ke Nongba Shillong. Ubak seniau balang dhar ulaong baka Sorkar Meghalaya kalayakran bat ka Sorkar Asam halor kini ka jing empat na kalyang jong Henry no Menteri Rangba ka Jela.
That's why you see you are all student. What does Newton law of motion said? There is reaction for every action. Therefore, I need to maintain peace. I request all of you to maintain peace. Government is already on the talk about the government, so not from my level. It's from CM and home level. They are discuss with other counterparts about this. I'm not very sure, but I think they must have talked each other.
Are you also taking it up with the Chief Minister or the
Chief Minister and Home Minister? We are contacted. They are on the job to get this thing normalized. Even while I'm talking, we are still discussing with other counterparts to bring back peace.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya